LightScale II is huge. It is a 20-meter long carbon fiber construction resting on a single point and tensioning a huge volume out of transparent projection mesh. The slight touch of the visitor allows you to move this gigantic structure through space. It kind of behaves like a gigantic whale. This is the type of story that you are able to explore with LightScale. It's a gigantic whale swimming through a virtual ocean, and you are able to pick up various stories, naval stories that are happening and that you are able to manipulate. Projecting on these multiple layers of mesh allows us to create holographic images and holographic events.